In this video, you'll learn how to recover your Udemy password. By following these steps, you will be able to reset your password and regain access to your account smoothly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Udemy login page. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Forgot Password and click on it. This action will direct you to the password reset page. On the password reset page, enter the email address that is linked to your Udemy account in the provided field. After entering your email, click the button that says Send Password Reset Link. This will initiate the process of sending you a password reset email. Next, check your email inbox for a message from Udemy. It should arrive shortly, but if you do not see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you locate the email, open it and look for the password reset link included in the message. After clicking the link in the email, you'll be redirected to a new page where you can create a new password, enter a secure password that meets the criteria specified, and then confirm it by re-entering the same password in the designated field. Once you have filled in both fields, click the button to save your new password. Upon successfully saving your new password, you will receive a confirmation that your password has been updated. You can now return to the Udemy login page and enter your email address along with your new password to access your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.